Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you about myself and something around me. My name is Hao. I'm a student. I study at Kankara University and my major is English. In my free time, I love listening to music and watching TV. I'm going to talk about my daily life. I get up early in the morning. I usually get up at about 5:30. After that, I take a shower and I have breakfast. Sometimes I have breakfast at home. Sometimes I have breakfast outside with my friends. I go to university at 7 o'clock and I start at 7:30. I finish at around 11, sometimes 11:30, and then I have lunch. After lunch, I usually take a nap for about 30 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. In the afternoon, sometimes I do my homework. I stay at home, I do the cleaning up, I do the washing up, etc. In the evening, I usually have dinner at around 5 p.m. After I have dinner, I usually watch TV or I go out with my friends. We go for coffee or sometimes we have a party. That's it about my daily life. Now let's talk about my weekend. On the weekend, I usually go shopping in a supermarket. Lotte Supermarket is my favorite supermarket in Kansas City. When I go shopping, I usually buy something necessary for my family. If I don't go shopping, I usually stay at home and I sleep. I like sleeping a lot. Or sometimes I play football with my friends. Or sometimes I go for coffee. That's my weekend. I'm learning English now because there are some reasons. The first reason is that English is an international language. People speak English all around the world. If I can speak English well, I can get a good job in the future. I can get a good job with very good salary. And I study English because I want to study abroad. I want to study in United States, in England, and in Australia. Every day, I usually think about staying healthy. I try to have a balanced diet like fish, vegetables, meat, etc. And I eat more fruit. I like banana, I like apple, etc. In the morning, I usually get up early and I go jogging around my house. Sometimes I go running. I don't drink a lot. I don't smoke. Smoking is bad, it's harmful for myself. I don't like it at all. I don't go traveling very often, but I really love traveling because I think that I can relax when I go traveling. I can make more friends. It helps me relax a lot. If I go traveling, I love going to Dalat City because that city is very famous for the nice, very nice sightseeing, and I love the lake. When I go traveling, I can make more friends there. Now I am going to describe my house. My house is in Càng Thơ City, that is in the center of the city. It's not very small, it's not very big. There are three rooms in my house: a living room, a bathroom, and a bedroom. In the living room, there is a sofa, a TV, a coffee table, and a fan. We usually have party in the living room. In the bathroom, we take a shower, yes, and we do the washing up in the bathroom. This is a bedroom for myself. That's for my family. This is a TV too. We love watching TV. In front of my house, there is a yard. It's not big, it's just medium. I plant some flowers in front of my house. And behind my house, there is a garden. It's just a very small garden. I plant some vegetables. Okay, I love it. That's my house. Thank you so much for listening. That's all about myself. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.